Welcome everyone, this is my Yamaha DT 175 1976. Now I put it all together, it's virtually brand new inside and out and spent a fortune on it, but that's alright, you get that. And after all that I couldn't get any spark, so what I did was I checked out the condenser, and the condenser, as you can see, is pretty battered around. So what I did was I cut the wires, as you can see by my finger. I've cut the wires off behind the stator, soldered them up, and what I've done is I've run the condenser under the tank here, and it's nicely earthed through the frame. It all does that. Now what I didn't know was how to hook it all up, so what I did was I used a little bit of my brain, which took weeks and weeks to work out, and heaps of stuff on YouTube. I spliced in the black wire. This is coming from the engine. That comes down here, down to the engine. And I spliced into the black wire, and that goes to the condenser. And then from the condenser, it goes back around to the coil. And I'll move around there later on. So what I've got now is I've got spark. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I've just got to tidy up all this, maybe shrink wrap some of this stuff, and we'll see how we go. And here's the other side of the condenser. I've got a dual wire joining. That one goes to the black wire from the engine, and it comes right down here, and it's joined on to the black and white wires which go to the coil. Now I've installed a new coil. It's not the original style, but it still works alright, and it seems to throw out a spark. So we're pretty pleased about that. And if we can see a spark, see a spark there. Pretty happy about that. Put it on a darker spot. And I think we're good to go. What we'll probably do is we'll just clean it up tonight, and I'll probably start it again tomorrow. Thanks a lot. So that's all straightened out now. We've got all of this shrink wrap now, and the wire goes underneath the frame, clears the exhaust, I hope, and it joins up onto the black wire there. So hopefully we've got it all pretty well sussed out. We've come a long way on this bike, considering it was a piece of shit when I got it. Sorry about that, Wally. As far as the oil goes, I'm thinking that I'd run it pre-mixed, I think, on the safety side, safety's sake. And if the person buying it wants to pursue to have that pump checked out, primed up and all that garbage, they're quite welcome to. But all in all, I reckon it's not too bad. Just got to fit a new horn tomorrow. Everything's pretty much organised. Probably try and start it again tomorrow. See how I go. And probably keep the bike for a month or two. Stand there and perv at it. And then I'll just flog it. So anyone interested, let me know.